Now I'll show you a complete overview of the Facedominator. In the accounts, in account manager section, you can see that you can load account, delete account, add a single account. In add a single account, you can add email, password, proxy address, proxy port, proxy username, proxy password. You can manage the profile, you can change language, you can change your profile name. You'll have to load the name there. The number of threads, delay from this second to this second can be done, and after that you have to start the action. In accounts farming, you can auto accept friend requests. You can also set the count in random comment, post on wall. You can give an input, and if you want to load a comment, you have to browse it from a folder. You can have random like on post on friends wall, random update on wall. You can check for schedule daily or a unique message posting. In the accounts checker section, you can load multiple or single email. The format has already been shown here, that is email, password, proxy address, port, proxy username, proxy password. The number of threads can be changed. For that you'll have to export the data. You can select any of the folder file you wish, and you have to submit the action for that. In friends, in request friends, you can request friends via keywords, via profiles, locations, group URLs. You can select accounts, number of friends per user or per keyword can be changed. In the settings, there are unique request, export module, report. In accept friend request, you can accept via friends location, or you can enter the location you wish. You have to enter it here. You can load the profile URLs. The gender can be selected. You have to use the process as accept. You can also cancel send friend requests, cancel the friend requests. You have to select the appropriate action. And now in update friends, you can select accounts, settings, you just saw it. In the page section, the fan page liker, you can load multiple or a single URL. The page URL per account can be changed. In the fan page poster, you can load fan page URLs, enter the single URL here, that it is the single post URL or also single message URL. You have to use the process post URLs for the load fan page post URL, post simple message for load message file, post picture on fan page for load pic folder, and use the appropriate action. And for fan page inviter, the same multiple or single URLs. In the comment liker, you can select a random or targeted comments. URL have to be pasted. You have to start using the appropriate process. In the comment poster, you have to load the post URLs. You can enter single URL, copy the URL here, select the appropriate account. In the website liker, after you load the URL, enter the single website, load messages, then enter single message. Fan page like post also similarly, you can load fan page URLs. The post per URL can be changed, URL per user can be changed. In the fan page creator, you have to upload the page name. Also the fan pages per user can be changed. In the fan page review, you can see the load page URL, the sheet here can be loaded. You can select the account you wish to use. In the wall tab, you can see the wall poster on the left side, and you can load the text message, URL, pinned messages, targeted profile. In the settings, you can set the message posting mode, the start process using text message, URL messages, and you have to submit the appropriate action. In the post pic on wall, the input can be load targeted URLs, greeting messages. You can set the number of pics on your wall, on your friend's wall, use pics on your own wall, share only me. There are lots of options available here to set. In the delete friends wall also, you can do a lot of settings, and such as the delete post count. While sharing post also, you can have multiple options. You have to select the account first. Share on own wall, share on friends wall, share in groups. These are the various settings. The number of shares can also be varied. The wall post liker, select the same, load multiple URL, or the enter single URL option. You can set the post like count with appropriate delay. In the event tab, event creator and event inviter is there. So in the event creator, you can enter the event detail in the white dialog box shown here. You have to save it. Then you can use a private account or a page account. Event inviter invites people, so you can select the number of friends to invite per time. You have to select the appropriate account. The message tab, if you wish to reply the load message using a single message or multiple message, so you have to select the appropriate option. You have to select the account. The settings may be use pin message, send message with tag, export data. Select the appropriate process, that is send message to your own friends or some other option you wish. In the group tab, there's the group inviter, various inputs as you can see on screen. Also the settings can be changed. Group request maker, the same inputs. Also settings. The delete group post, you can use multiple group post URL, group post URL, post comment, or post group post comment. In the settings, you can vary the delete number of group post, the interval within which it gets deleted. You have to select the appropriate process you wish to make. In group post liker, you can use multiple group or a single group. In settings, you can change the number of posts you wish to like. If you want to comment, use the comment. If only like, select only like. In make group admin, you have to browse the URL, the group URL or the profile URL, then number of users to make admin with the appropriate delay. Activate group notify. You can select the account here, and here export option is also there. In the photo, you can tag, download video. In tag photo, as you can see, there are a lot of settings. You can change the number of friends. You can photo tag, post tag, or comment tag. Here the number of friends, for example, is written as 5. In the download photo option, you can download fan page photo, profile photo. For that, you can have two options, using multiple URL or single URL. You have to select where you wish to download the photo or file folder. download own friends picture or number of image download per profile can be varied. In the video upload, you have to load the videos, or you can load group or load fan page URLs. On wall, on group, on fan page, use the appropriate process that you wish to do and select the action as start. In campaigns, there are group post campaign, joiner campaign, message send campaign, group. In group campaign, you can see that the inputs shown here. In campaign, there is select campaign, new campaign. You have to write the message there and save, update or delete campaign. The task is there. It can be only message, pick plus message, URLs, random message or a single message. And submit the action, that is save campaign. In the run campaign, you can use group URLs with the delay settings and schedule settings. Time settings, I'm varying the number of groups in the batch and the interval minutes, for example. In the scrapper, there is the fan scrapper in the starting. So inputs are as shown here. In the event scrapper, the enter single event, multiple event. You can export data here. In the friends scrapper, you have to load multiple profile or single profile. Export data here or to friends info, friends of friend info, profile URL scrapper process can be done in group member scrapper. Enter single group URL, enter single keyword, the account, appropriate account is selected. Number of members to scrap can be varied, number of group URLs to scrap can be varied. To export data, tick on that section, member of the group from your required range. You can close the group or keep it an open group. The scrapper type should be selected for enter single group URL. URL scrapper by keywords for keyword, and select the appropriate action. For our audiences scrapper, if I enter the single query keyword here and I have to save it here, already there's a saved URL here and the query URL should be saved here. The account is selected and scrapper by URL, scrapper by keywords, and the rest to process can be done here. In FBID extractor, you can load profile URLs. In the advanced settings tab, you can have color settings. You can see the various colors here. The theme can be changed, font size can be changed. It is all about the appearance. In license detail, here are a various detail. So these are all the things that you can do in Facedominator. Please join us over Skype for live support and email us at this email ID.